Hello, good afternoon everybody. John here from Routing Box, coming to you live with Routing Box Friday, the second edition here. So we're really excited that some of you are going to join hopefully today, so we're going to give everybody a minute to join before we dive in. So while we're waiting for a couple people to join us live, we're going to go ahead and talk a little bit about what Routing Box Friday does and what we're doing here and what we hope to provide for you, so this is a valuable use of your time. So Routing Box Friday, we're going to come to you every week live here from Buffalo with some information about some of the new enhancements that Routing Box is going to provide. We roll out a new update every Friday, so any really cool features that are coming out, we're going to notify you this way. So if you are a Routing Box customer, make sure you're telling all of your friends that are in the business to join us. Make sure all your employees are joining us, liking our page on Routing Box and watching this live stream every week so that they're seeing all the awesome new features in Routing Box to help you run your business better. We're also going to go through an industry topic every week. So this week we're talking about solving the NEMT routing puzzle. So we're going to talk a little bit about why it's so hard to schedule an NEMT and why it's so hard to come up with some good tools to be able to do that. So those are our goals for this week and every week beyond. So we hope that you're going to continue to join us. We're having a lot of fun doing this, so we're happy to help and give back to the NEMT community because everybody's been so awesome to us. So I'm going to go ahead and dive in here. So today we're talking about solving the NEMT routing puzzle. So this is one of the biggest things that we see people coming to us for is they've got all these trips, they've got them from all these different accounts, private pay, you've got brokers giving you trips, you maybe have local contracts, all these different sources. Some of your stuff is fixed routes, some of it isn't. How do I get these all into efficient routes? And how do I press a button and make it happen? And we've kind of discovered the answer to that is that the best way to do it is to get the right tools. We want to put the right tools in front of you so that you can make the best decisions. Unfortunately, there's a lot of tools out there that will help you do it automatically with the press of a button, but in NEMT, because so many things change, you have 25, 30, 35% cancel rates depending on where you are. You have your will call trips. You have on-demand trips that come up throughout the day. You have changes in addresses. You have changes in times. You have people that no-show unexpectedly. You have all these things going on that are changing throughout the day. So pre-scheduling everything and pressing a button, especially for a smaller NEMT fleet, can really be a big challenge. So with Routing Box, we're trying to give you the tools that you need to be able to make the right decisions. So within Routing Box, we have all sorts of these different tools. So something like called zones, where you can actually break down your trips based on different areas. So depending on your local area, it might be a little bit different. Sometimes towns are farther away, but it's easier to travel between them because of a highway or whatever it may be. So it's making it easy for you to get to those towns. We can actually use the zones feature to put trips in those areas together to make it a lot easier for you to use. We also have our trip suggestion tool. That's going to look at where your vehicles are, what they're doing, when they're going to complete what they're doing, kind of look at all these different factors and tell you which vehicles will be most efficient for a trip or which vehicles can get there the fastest, because that's not always the same thing. So we're going to give you tools to be able to make these decisions in real time throughout the day. So as things are changing and evolving throughout the day, and you have those huge 30-35% rates of change throughout the day, you can adapt to that and still have the most efficient routes. We would love to give you a button that you can just press and boom, here's your routes. And believe me, we're in the process of testing. We continue to test dozens of different algorithms that are designed to do that. The problem is we have some great customers that are nice enough to give us access to their data and be able to compare things, and we're looking at it, and these things, our customers are actually being more efficient than the computer is. So we want to give you the tools so that you continue to do that. So in terms of solving the puzzle, the goal is to give you the tools to solve the puzzle. Just like you think about when you're putting puzzle pieces together, they always tell you, find things that are the same color. Start with the edges and the corners. Those are the tools to help put those pieces of that puzzle together. Routing Box is going to give you those tools to put your scheduling puzzle pieces together. So hopefully this was a great help for some of you. If you're not using some of the features that I talked about to build an efficient schedule, get a hold of us. If you're an existing customer or a new customer, give us a call, 716-202-9121. Just a couple prompts will get you to a live person, either to talk to someone about Routing Box and seeing what we can do to help your business, or if you're an existing customer, getting a hold of our support team. So if there's a feature that you heard about today that you're not using and you want to see if it can help your business, we have support agents on staff every day, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday through Friday, that's Eastern time. They're there to help you and see how these tools can help you improve your business. So again, give us a call, 716-202-9121. Visit us at roundingbox.com or just shoot us a message right here on Facebook, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching today.